them again and again in the power base. Now let them rip on the new XP Racer triple loop set. Nothing stops them. They keep going out of control. New XP Racers, they got them more inside. Car with power base and triple loop set sold separately. Batteries not included.
Lights.
Camera.
Action. Action Brothers.
Do they date the Reaction Sisters? Hog 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 hog. There's that gorilla again.
He's not a gorilla. He's part ape and part monkey.
For every action an equal and opposite reaction.
Warn a brother. Alert a sister. Alarm a father. Foster mother.
All the young kids with your pumped up kicks better run, faster than a bullet.
Foster the People 2011.
Foster Brothers.
Foster Brooks.
Foster Grant.
Ulysses Grant.
The name is Foster. The name is Splits.
Split Second.
Second Chance. Anybody home?
Oh my god. Tootie's here. Yay 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 yay.
Welcome aboard, 2DCH.
Thank you, Dave Madson. I totally appreciate it.
It's so nice to see you here, 2DCH Hodges.
How do you feel now?
The doctors gave me a remedy and my voice and scream are back. Now I can't speak.
The National Weather Service in Moncton has been issued a high wind warning for Moncton County and southeast New Brunswick, coastal Charlotte County and southern New Brunswick, Fundy County and southern New Brunswick, west central Kennebecasis Valley and Kings County and southeast New Brunswick. Until 5 a.m. At 5:55 p.m., snow will spread across the province Friday morning, and become heavy, at times, Friday afternoon. Strong northeasterly winds will develop later in the day and in conjunction with the fresh snowfall will result in reduced visibility and blowing snow. Conditions will improve early Saturday. This storm is also producing damaging winds in excess of 70 to 80 km per hour. Repeating, a high wind have been issued until 5 a.m. for southeast New Brunswick.
Something new every day.
Warner Education Pictures presents
a back-to-school production.
I wish I were still in news reporting. I know, Cortana, but reporting is still not your job. I'm still not satisfied with my retirement.
Cortana's right, Sarah. Why don't you think she belongs in reporting?
Cortana's job is really as a teacher.
What? Wait, Cortana is a teacher?
Yes, Dave. She is Freddy and Brutus's personal teacher.
That's right, Dave.
That's my girl. Hot 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 hot.
Oh, how sweet. I'm feeling a little hungry myself.
So am I.
So am I.
So where are we going this time, Dave?
I thought you'd never ask. Mr. Coco's Chocolate Express, your one-stop journey to indulgence.
Choco Choco.
Choo choo.
Chocolate.
Are you ready for an awesome neighborhood festival? What you know about it? The Season 1 finale of Rainbow's Riddles starts right now, on TRC, the Buffy channel.
up and crawled away from his home this morning.
Baby drags.
This summer, see the world through the eyes of a child. This July 1st, hang on and think big. Baby's Day Out.
You guys seen a baby around here?
We just stopped by to admire the beautiful flower. Ow! Words.
Rated PG. Starts Friday, July 1st at theaters everywhere.